God. What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more tech, more reviews. And today we're going to be looking at Penoval. This is the alternative to the Apple Pencil. Let's check it out. So when you unbox Penoval, you're going to get a micro USB charger. You're going to get an extra pen tip to go with this. You're going to get your standard instructions, and then you actually get to the pen or the pencil itself. Now, Penoval is going to run you 39 bucks or $39.99, so roughly 40 bucks. It's going to charge via micro USB, which is right here on the top. Precise control, palm rejection, 12-hour battery. A 4-minute charge will get you 1 hour with this pen or this pencil right here. So what is it compatible with? Well, sitting right in front of me, I have the iPad 10.5 Pro with the pencil, the iPad 11, and it's also compatible with the iPad 6th generation, the 9.7 2018 model. Now, what's notable is if the pencil or that you already have is connected to the tablet, this will not work. For instance, let's see. Okay, so this pencil is connected, and this pencil is connected. Let's go back to the home screen, line these up. Now, pencil turns on right here. Once you turn it on, you get that blue LED. Blue LED signifies that it is on. If it starts to blink red, it's telling you that it's about to go dead. It needs to be charged. So I'm going to touch the screen, nothing happens. Touch the screen, nothing happens. This device is not Bluetooth. It just works. It's no Bluetooth connectivity, no nothing. So I'm gonna do for both of these is I'm going to turn off the Bluetooth. Bluetooth goes off. Bluetooth goes off. So Bluetooth is off on both of these devices. They are not connected to the pencils at all. Now, pick this up. Set that pencil right there. So now they claim that this will work with, this is the 10.5. Let me show you right here. Go into general, about. This is the iPad Pro 10.5 inch. Okay. Now they claim that this pencil works with this device, and clearly it does not. I got the Bluetooth turned off completely and it's still not working. So that's a big no-no right there. They claim that it works, it doesn't work. Let's try this right here. I actually have the Note app open and nothing. So it's a dud for the 10.5. Now, like I said, the company claims that it will work with the 10.5 Pro. It does not work. Now I'm running iOS 13, iPad OS on both of these. So we see that it works over here. iPad Pro 11. Now, will this replace your Apple Pencil? And my short answer to this is yes, it could. But you're not going to get all of the exact features that you would normally get with the Apple Pencil. So we know that the Apple Pencil will give you the tap to swap between your actual tools that you're going to be using. Now, writing is still nice and precise in this. And it's easier for me to write down on a table, but writing is still precise. Everything is nice and fluid. So you still have to come down here and pick exactly what you want to use and then actually do it. So that's one drawback. You don't get that tap. The other side, you can actually charge this up while you are using it. So if you have a longer micro USB cable, you can plug this up and you can still use this while you're working with it. With the Apple Pencil, you have to let it sit up here. Another thing, all the features seem to work, such as the new screenshot method that works, full page it, scroll up and down, and you can actually mark it up Where's my markup tool? Right there. You can actually mark this up and you can still send it. You can do everything else that you need to do from right here. But it won't charge on the go. You're gonna have to plug this up somewhere. And like I said, you're gonna get a 1 hour battery life out of 4 minutes of charge on this. Let's just get rid of this. And then you actually have to find a way to carry this around. So since this is now obsolete, we know it won't work over here. We've tested it. It does not work. We're gonna slide this one off the screen because that one is irrelevant now. We're gonna focus more on this one. So if you're going to invest in a pencil like this that won't stick magnetically to the top of the iPad, you gotta invest in a case that basically will get you that protection. And this is going to be one of the best ones out there. This is the Zoogle Muse. You know, your iPad is going to drop down in there, no issues whatsoever. But you get this pouch on the back and you can drop that right down in there. You have nothing to worry about. It's nice, safe, and secure. And you can carry this with ease in the Zoogle case and still be protected. So what is the final verdict? Now, this comes in at $39.99. It is not Bluetooth. You will have to charge this through micro USB up top. It does support the palm rejection feature. So we already showed you that you can lay your hand on here. You can draw without anything coming on over here. Now, I will tell you also that some of your third-party apps don't work as well. So Art Rage is another one that I like to use. And in Art Rage, it's a dud. So look at that. You see the lag? I'm on the screen a good almost 1.5 seconds before it actually picks up. About 1 to 1.5 seconds. So some of the third-party drawing apps, it doesn't work as well. And we know that the Apple Pencil is nice, it's fluid. No matter what app you're in, it's gonna work. And it has that pressure sensitivity that allows you to get different shades, different colors, and different line thicknesses. Now, $129. I know, $129 for this one, $39 for this one. And I don't think it's a bad idea to actually get this one. Like, if you're not a real artist, if you're not really just drawing all the time, if you're just getting it for taking notes, I think it's great. But I think for the artist, you're gonna need the Apple Pencil, just because you get the fine-tuned shading, you get the pressure sensitivity, all that. I don't think it's a bad buy for $40. So I like it. It's a good deal. And I think it's worth it. I'm not saying it's better than the Apple Pencil because it's not, but an alternative, yes, definitely. And it's way cheaper. So I'm going to drop a link below so you can go check this out for yourself. This is the Penoval Pencil. You can pick one up for about $40 on the Amazon store. Hopefully this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Oh, I'll leave a link to the Zoogle Muse. Also, one of my favorite cases. You can get in this Ferrari red right here. It's going to save you a lot of trouble. Hope this is able to help someone out. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.